Good morning to all. I am Shankar from Government Degree College Silsila. We are going to present the Jignasa student study project regarding oil adulteration with the guidance of Dr.shankar sir, Associate Professor in Botany. Our team members are Archana, Akila, Lavanya and Bhavani. This project consists of introduction, objectives, research methodology, result and discussion, conclusion and reference. Introduction. Edible oils are one of the major contributors of our fat in our diet. It enhances palatability of food, shelf-life and makes food tasty. Edible oils are sources of dietary fats that play an essential role in our body, satisfying nutritional needs, growth and are necessary for proper functioning of brain and nervous system as well as the endocrine environment. Behind this role, they can be very rich source of micronutrients and bioactive substances such as alkaloids, carotenoids, polyphenols. Since edible oils are some of main components of our diet, it is important to compare their biological effects. There is a variety of different edible oils on the market and most common edible oils are soybean, sunflower, corn, olive and coconut oils. Each of these oils have different characteristics and most of the combinations on adding certain oils to the diet are based on total fat content and adding saturated, polyunsaturated, monounsaturated and trans fat to support a healthy body weight and reduce the risk of diseases. Some of the many different kinds of edible vegetables include olive oil, palm oil, soybean oil, pumpkin seed oil, corn oil, sunflower oil, peanut oil, grapeseed oil, sesame oil, argan oil and rice bran oil. Many other kinds of vegetables are also used for cooking. Aims and objectives. Is the cooking oil in your home pure and unadulterated? Are you eating a meat cooked in adulterated oil? The oil adulteration epidemic has become a concern for food security authorities everywhere in the India. Alone last year, FSSAI edible oil survey reported that 24% of edible oil should sold in the market and adulterated. Adulteration practitioners use tactics like cheap prices and misleading branding to scam customers into buying their adulterated oil. Unfortunately, the most commonly affected oils are mustard, peanut, groundnut oil, ghee and coconut. There is no household that does not use any of these oils in cooking or otherwise. Research and methodology. Edible oils can be of plant, animals and microbial origin, which is suitable for food use. After carbohydrates, oils are the second most important source of edible calories in the human life. Edible vegetable oils are foodstuffs which are composed primarily of glycerides or fatty acids being obtained only from vegetable sources. They may contain small amount of other lipids such as phosphatics, constituents and of free fatty acids naturally present in the fat or oil. Research and methodology. Dietary fats are derived from two sources: the invisible fat present in plant and animals food, and the visible are in oils. They are invisible in water but soluble in most organic solvents like diethyl ether, hexane, benzene, chloroform, methanol are called oils. They have lower densities than water. When they are solid appearing at normal room temperature, they are referred as fats, and when they are liquid at room temperature, they are sources and properties of edible oils. Over to Archana.
Primary sources: grapeseed mustard rich in monounsaturated fatty acids and alpha linoleic acid. Groundnut, it contains alpha, beta and gamma tocopherols and reversible. Primary sources: grapeseed mustard rich in monounsaturated fatty acids and alpha linoleic acid. Groundnut, it contains alpha, beta and tocopherols, which is an anti-cancer agent, a platelet anti-aggregation agent and an antioxidant. Soybean oil is rich in alpha linoleic acid and gamma tocopherols. Sunflower, monounsaturated fatty acids and polyunsaturated fatty acids which also contain alpha tocopherols, gamma tocopherols. Sunflower, monounsaturated fatty acids and polyunsaturated fatty acids which also contain alpha tocopherols. Sunflower, it contains highest linoleic acid and is rich in alpha tocopherols. Neither polyunsaturated fatty acids rich in oil. Sesame contains almost equal amount of oleic and linoleic acids. Sesame ligands are having high antioxidant activity useful for salad dressing. Linseed, conditional edible, richest source of alpha linoleic acid. Secondary sources: oil palm, rich in tocopherols, tocotrienols and carotenoids. Coconut contains easily digestible short chain fatty acids. Cottonseed oil contains high amount of palmitic acid. Corn oil contains high amount of alpha tocopherols. Rice bran oil, rich source of gamma oryzanol and also contain alpha linoleic acid. Tree bone oils: olive, cocoa, salt. Other sources: amaranth, negile, sativa, microalgae. Over to Akila.
What is oil adulteration? As the name suggests, oil adulteration is the practice of adding other oils to pure oils to increase their quality and profit margin. By doing so, the manufacturers of adulterated oils are able to search these oils at much cheaper prices. Eating adulterated oil can be the reason behind causing health conditions like heart problems, liver diseases, which can be. Over to Lavanya.
Results and discussions. How do you check if oil is adulterated? There are several ways to check for adulteration in oil. Let's see how to do the oil adulteration testing 6 commonly used edible oil easily. Let's see how to do check oil adulteration in ghee or clarified butter. Oil adulteration in ghee can easily be tested for the presence of starch in home. All you need is an iodine solution or even any ointment like betadine. Take a spoonful of melted ghee in a bowl and add a few drops of iodine solution or a small amount of betadine. Mix it well. If the iodine solution turns blue, ghee is adulterated with starch. Check oil adulteration in refined oil with the help of butter. Refined oil adulteration can be easily tested at home. With the help of butter, simply take half a cup of refined oil and 1 spoon of cold butter and put them in a glass. Leave it for a few minutes and stir gently. If the butter starts getting thicker or changes color, the refined oil is adulterated. Check the oil adulteration in mustard oil with a few drops of nitric acid. Mustard oil adulteration can be easily tested at home too. You will need a nitric acid which is easily available at a nearby pharmacy. Then take about a half cup of mustard oil and take a tablespoon of nitric acid and mix gently. If the mustard oil changes color or forms a ring at the top, it is adulterated. Check oil adulteration in groundnut or peanut oil. Throw a refrigerator. Adulterate. Take off a cup of peanut groundnut.